Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have your sheet open, so start by naming the two columns and adding a helper column next to the first one. In that helper cell type equals countif, B, A2 and press enter. This counts occurrences of a 2 in column B. Once done, drag the fill handle down to apply the check to every row. This gives a quick numeric flag. 0 means no match, any number means duplicates exist. Make sure your ranges include full columns if new rows might be added. Once your helper flags are visible, apply conditional formatting to visually mark duplicates. Select column A, choose custom formula, and enter equals countif, $B, $A2, 0, pick a highlight color and apply. Do the reverse for column B if needed. Alternatively, extract a list of duplicates into a new sheet using equals filter, A countif, B, A, so you can review them independently. This shows why a helper count is useful. It powers both highlighting and extraction without manual comparison. To finish, filter or sort using the helper column to isolate duplicates, then convert those helper formulas to values if you need to move or delete rows. If you want a unique list, wrap the result in equals unique, your filter range. If things look missing, check for invisible mismatches. Use trim to remove extra spaces and apply upper or lower to standardize case before comparing. If countif still returns unexpected zeros, confirm ranges and remove leading or trailing spaces. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.